Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell courses on Wix in 2024. First of all, Wix is a versatile platform that allows you to create some stunning websites and even sell your courses online with ease. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and sell your courses on Wix. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this wherever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section specifically, and basically just type wix.com. If it's your first time as an example, you'll be taken to this page instead. And you can click add login at the top right corner if you have an account by any chance, or click on get started as an example to create an account. Of course, you can even click in here to change the language to whatever you want. As you can see, you have multiple language if maybe English is not the language that you talk or you prefer at least. And as you can see, to get started, no credit card required. You'll be able to start for free. So click on login and you'll be able to log into your account, or click on get started to create an account. You can use Google or Facebook accounts if you have one of them so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Same for login. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself normally here in the dashboard and you should be good to start. So first, if you don't have any websites, make sure to go and create a new site. You can use your own templates if you have your template. You can start from a blank Canva. You can choose one of the template that they have from the studio templates, or use Wix Editor and start editing by your own, depending on whatever you want. Of course, let's say example, this is the sites for me. I already have a site, so I'll just go and select that site so I can access the dashboard of that site specifically. So as I said, I'll choose this site specifically to sell my courses in here. So for you, if you don't have a site yet, just go and create one. If you need some help doing that, I have multiple videos on how to do that. You can go and check them out as an example. So here, once we do so, we'll be able to start editing the site to add whatever we want on it. So of course, I'll just go here and click on edit sites. Of course, to sell courses, we will need to add them as a digital product as an example. So I'll just go here and click on edit sites to show you first of all. So we'll add this store section. We'll be able to manage all the product that we have. So let me just wait for this as an example. So as you can see, this site that I have is blank. I have nothing on it. For you, make sure to customize your sites first. Add some colors, add some pictures, take some time and edit this header, footer as an example, because this will attract customers to your sites first of all, and even increase your SEO ranking, search engine ranking optimization. So if we go to this left panel, click on the plus button. If we scroll down here, we'll find store option. Click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able to add this online store to your sites. You'll be able to sell products in digital downloads like a course, video, maybe course or something like that, payments methods easily, and create coupons and special offers. So click on add to site to add it to your site so you can start selling courses right away. So to do so, as you can see, you'll have to wait a little bit, maybe 20 seconds until this finish loading. It will not take a lot of time. In the meantime, as example for you, as I said before, make sure to customize your store and add many colors, even add some sections like about me section, I don't know, contacts me section or something like that. So once you add your store as an example, this will be added with it automatically. So if you click on any products here, you'll find this manage products options. First of all, you can just go here and delete this. So just click on whatever you want and click on delete key on your PC, or simply just right click on that and go here. So where's the delete option? Example, what is this? So yeah, this is, we'll just make it in stretch. So here, of course, I'm trying to remove it to add my own products, but of course, I'll just go here and click on manage products first of all, so we can add first of all our product. So normally, I guess the store will come with the product that they have in there. Yeah, so as you can see, a lot of products here. So what I'll do in here, first of all, I'll delete all those products. Because as an example, I don't have a store. I just want to sell my courses. I don't want to add any products in here, so I'll just go and delete all those products in here that comes with the store. Of course, as you can see, I'll just go and delete all those. Of course, you can even hide them if you don't want to delete them, like as they say in here. So for me, I'll just go and delete all those products in here because those mainly like physical products. For me, the course will be digital products. So yeah. So as you can see here, if we go now back in here and like, yeah, as you can see, no products I have. So yeah, that's good. Now I can just go and click on manage products in here and add a new product as an example. So click on add the new products. And of course, it's a digital file. It's a course. If you have it like your course is a book or something like that, if it's a physical product, make sure to choose the first option, which is this physical products. So for me, I'll just choose this digital products. So first of all, you have to upload a file. To upload that course, either it's a document, it's a zip file, it's an audio, it's an image. As you can see, you can upload whatever you want. If it's a video, make sure to zip it and upload it as a zip file. For me, let's say, example, it's an image. The course is an image. It's not, but I have some image here, so I'll just use it. And yeah, so let me just go and wait for it until it's upload. Yeah, I'll just go and click on it here, and it should be uploaded, as you can see. Now you'll have to start adding information about your course. Example, the name. I'll just put this for you. Make sure to fill up all your informations. For me, I'll just fill up some random information. Example, an example here, testing. Add images, videos. Example, I'll just add a video. Example here again from my PC. So upload media here. Upload it from computer. I'll upload this video as example. So I'll just wait for it until it's upload. 4 megabytes. It should not take a lot of time. And once it's uploaded, of course, I'll be able to add it. Yeah, as you can see in here. So was uploaded as a digital file. Okay, that's good. Where's his buts in here? So site files. Yeah, here is it. So I'll just go and double click once. As you can see, it's added in here, and it's time to add the price. For example, I'll just add this randomly of my current currency. Of course, you can add it on sale if you have like a discount or something like that. If you don't, no need. And the cost of good, of course, you can add it like maybe it's cost you maybe 20 or it's cost you like 18. You're just profiting like 20 or something like that. So you can add it as you can see. So the amount you're spending to produce and sell these products, your customers won't see this. So it's just for taxes like problems, I guess, with if you're living in the US or something like that. And status, it is in stock or out of stock. Normally, digits also it should be always on stock. Of course, if you want like to have a stock of your digital products, you can simply do this track inventory and add how much inventory you have, so you can keep track of it. Once you fill up all those informations, click on save, and your course should be added as example here in products. So if you go here, if you refresh this page, as you can see, the products will be added to your store, and people, if you go, sorry, not publish, if you click on preview, people will be able to click on it and start like looking at the video that you put in etc. If they like it, you can simply just buy it now. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.